What's going on, guys? Today's video is sponsored, first time getting sponsored by anyone, so this one's sponsored by a company called Basla. If you guys can see that, there we go. It's a LED company, awesome product, has 4 different modes to it, switches. If you have a specific bulb that you need, let's try to get it on here. They have different ones. Sorry, using one hand holding this right now. But this specific one came for my truck. As you guys know, I have a 96 OBS Tahoe. So these lights came for this. So already got them installed. Just want to give a review on them. I'm really happy about these, man. I tested them out, and I'm not just gonna... Yes, I know. You guys see it. There's a leak down there. Don't ask about it. Mind your business. But yeah, really excited about these bulbs. I'm not just saying it because they gave it to me. I actually tried it out. Like these bulbs, they're awesome, super bright. I had a set of LEDs in here, and these put it to shame, man. I'm not even gonna gas it up, but these bulbs are super awesome. Like I said, there are 4 different modes on here. I'll show you guys right now. Go in the truck, fire it up. Actually, I don't have to fire it up, but turn the light on. First mode right now. As you guys can see, this is super bright, man. Switch to the next. Don't ask about a seat, mind your business. Like I said before, I think you can do it with just switching from your high beams. Next. A little bit more yellow. Keep going. And again. Now it's definitely yellow, as you guys can see the difference with that. Like I said, that's the name right here. Very, very excited about these bulbs, man. Especially if you drive through fog, stuff like that, snow. This is perfect for you guys. And like I said, they're super bright. Super stupid bright, man. I compared it with my, whoa, I didn't even know. Okay. All right. So that's not my 4-ways. They actually flash. That's awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much, that should be it, I would assume. So now we're back to regular high beams. Take the high beams off. And my actual lights are brighter than my high beams. Crazy. But yeah, man. Bulbs are awesome. Again, that's Basla. You guys see it right there. Get you a set. Hit them up on Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media that you guys are on. Pretty sure they're on there. Hit them up. Tell them I sent you. Tell them Sean sent you from Instagram or TikTok, whichever you guys use. Follow me on there. That's where they hit me up from. Tell them you need you a set. All right? And then let's get to the next thing that I've done. You know, you guys probably want to update on everything. So as far as this truck, I've been working on my truck. I took it to South Florida. I had a show there. On my way back, it was leaking. Besides the leak that's there right now. That leak is from my power steering. But I'm not too worried about that. I'll fix that eventually. But my radiator was leaking. So I got her a 4-core radiator in here. And open this up so you guys can see it. It's going to be a long video, so just bear with me, guys. It's an update video, guys. Besides the shorts that I've been sharing, I actually have a video that you guys can watch. Come on, one hand. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, but there is a 4-core radiator in here somewhere. And also what I did was I removed the fan. Wish I had a light. It's dark out here. But yeah, I removed the clutch fan and the main fan that's on here, and I installed a 16-inch fan that replaced that. Also installed 2 other fans, one here, one in the front. So whenever I'm trailering, I can switch those on. Those are on a switch on the inside. I did also do upper control arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, a few stuff on this truck, man. Just a little update. This truck's never really on this channel like that, but I just wanted you guys to know. Love this truck. Drive it every day. I wouldn't get rid of this truck, even if they try to pay me for it. One of my favorite vehicles that I have or ever had. Now, let's move on to the Civic that everybody knows, everybody loves, hopefully. The Civic has gone through a couple things that I've changed on here. First, in the front, I want to say I added, if you guys can see, fog lights. One of my boys who does custom work and stuff like that for me, he had those stored at his house that he's had for years, and I bought them off of him. Obviously, bought them. He wanted to install them. You know, take care of your friends. Got him to get those on here for me. Put them on. Love them. They're on the switch also, hidden inside the little pop down spot inside your car. I don't know what it's for, but let's see if I can show you guys. So basically, it is in here. Switch is installed in there for the fog lights. They're on right now. Love them. I've always wanted fog lights on my car. Finally got them. Besides that, underneath here, I did finally get my catch can hooked up. So that's hooked up. New valve cover, that's done. New air lines and stuff like that have been taken care of. What else have I done? Different front lip, but that's not important right now. Let's go to the back. Start with that first. Yes, car's dirty, always is. As you guys can see, something different here. These are not the regular taillights that I've had in here, clear taillights. These were also made by the gentleman that did my fog lights. My friend that did my fog lights, he does taillights, upholstery, different things. So these were made by him. All LEDs. That's inside here. They're awesome. Love these taillights. If you guys want to know who he is, hit him up on Instagram. That's his Instagram right there, at Loudpack Customs. Let's see, what else have I done on here? I think that's pretty much it for right now that I've done on this car at this current moment. Actually, I lied. Let's go inside the car. Inside the car right now, currently, just a little bit of spice that I've added in here. Installed a 10-inch screen that's currently sitting right there. Custom shift boot that we got installed. He did that for me, Loudpack. He also did my armrest lid and that plate for the AC and radio delete. He made that for me. So quite a few things that he's capable of doing. He's gonna do my headliner and all the things too that I'm gonna get done on here. So just a small video for you guys, just to update on everything that's going on with this car. I do have another set of seats that will be going in the car because I want to reupholster the, what are those called? EP3 seats. I want to reupholster those, so I'm going to be taking those out and having my boy Loudpack reupholster those for me. So that will be done here shortly, and I already have my seats that's going in here. I'll make a video about that as soon as I get them in here. What else? What other plans do I have with this car? Quite a few other plans that I want to see done before I take this car to another show. There's a few things I want to change. The color is going to be changed eventually, probably before next year. Go with a different color. Less flashy, less flakes. If you guys have seen pictures, follow me on Instagram or follow me anywhere, you guys will realize that this car has dumb flakes in it. Stupid, big, huge red flakes. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that, but yeah, got that done to it. So we're going a different route with that. Also, forgot, I did install, yes, Loud Pack also did that for me. The car also has wheel lights, just different things that's done to this car for the update that we've done. Not gonna lie, this, not to toot my own horn, but this has got to be one of the hardest Civic on social media. Overall, find me another one or two other cars that's overall built, besides smacking a K series in it and going to go race it. Everybody does that. Everybody throws a motor in their car and go drive it, whatever. Not bashing that at all. That's what they do. Me personally, I've touched every single part of this car. I redid the trunk on here. I have a different system in here right now. It's hard to open the trunk with the carbon fiber trunk on there. It's really hard. It goes crazy because of how light it is. So I'm not going to try to open it on my own. I'm not trying to break my back windshield. So the trunk has been redone. This car, you guys seen it. If you guys are from day one, you guys know what I've been through with this car. So I'm not saying I'm tooting my own horn or whatever. If you've watched me from day one, this car, there's nothing on this car that I haven't touched. Pistons, rods, everything in here. You guys have seen the parts that I've done, parts list that has been with this car, everything I've done to it. Besides that, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe as always. Love you guys.